Here's something I can say that's very obvious to you folks that own properties, especially retail, commercial properties, is that they're worth money. There's an investment made there, there's an asset there, and you want a return on that investment. So what I'm asking you to do is next time you head to your car, remember that your parking lot is part of that asset. It's part of that investment you made, and that it is every day costing you money. So the better you spend the dollars, both up front, which what I'm saying is that most of the time it's already done, but as you head out and you walk across that asphalt, please look at it with the idea that how can I spend less over the next many years to maintain what I already own and to continue growing that investment in it. It might mean patching, it might mean parts or all need to be removed and replaced to refresh that asset. But we'll be able to help you assess that if you'd like. But the important thing to remember is that it is an asset. It's got intrinsic value in it, and we usually gauge that on what it would take to completely replace it from A to Z. Most of the time we don't have to do that, but if you do, you can imagine that dollar amount might be pretty high. So the idea is to look at it now and start thinking about what the budget might look like as you move forward into those mental conversations and then conversations with those around you about what we should do about our parking lot. You need good information. Some of it you can gather yourself just by knowing things, and others we can help you dial it all in on what it would take to maintain it over a 2-year, 5-year, and up to 10-year, and even longer period of time.